300-foot invade. What did you do?
Jeremy, you playing? What's up, Rabbit?
Where's your
As a rap.
Wait, is this?
told me.
Dude, this looks real as hell.
Everybody keeps saying it looks so real.
It does.
I painted it up.
I thought it was real, dude.
Yeah, I try to put like the little rust spots in it.
Jeremy, you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing.
Let's go. Dream Squad, baby. Wait, are you playing Rabbit? Or are you just a ref?
Yes.
You're just a ref that beats people? If someone's cheating, just
Bam!
get their kneecaps.
This is the band dad, not the band hammer.
Can I shoot you in the back of the vest?
What?
Can I shoot you in the back of the vest?
I don't have a vest on.
Shoot him right there.
He's gonna
Shoot him
feel it
here,
right through
Will.
that.
I have no. In the nut.
Shoot his
Will, I'll
nipple.
give you all my
Shoot
jelly
the
beans.
left one and then the right one.
Liam, can I see your gun real quick?
No.
You can see mine.
This is netting. That happens the whole mag.
You're actually gonna. You're evil. You're evil for that, bro. That's evil. I was like, did I just do that? Like, that was basically my fault for giving you the gun.
Yeah, both
I
people
thought-
get shot.
I thought you were gonna shoot his vest.
I need you to hit that deer for 38-year-old.
Is that a Nerf dart? That's a nice sunset. That's a nice sunset.
That's a boulder. That's a nice
That's a
boulder.
nice boulder. This is like some Minecraft shit right now.
Yes, dude.
Let's get on the ship. Let's get on the ship. Damien! 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 Look at the nice ass sunset, bro. Look at the sunset, bro. It's just so majestic. This is amazing. Wait, Damien, why does your plate carrier say king, bro? Yes, king!
Yes, king!
Yeah, but rest in peace, rest in peace.
On the veteran, that I got this from. It's had king on his shit.
He loves king. He must have watched a lot of content.
You ain't got the ball. What? I bet you won't.
That thing is silent, bro.
You're silent. That was kind of low. What about this one?
Damn, that one's more silent than that one.
Yes.
All right, 10 points
Yeah.
to whoever shoots Jeremy in the nipple.
10 points means 20.
Never out the house. Oh, come on. I want you to shoot me, you know that?
Matt, get a kill with this.
Okay. Ah! Ah! Come on, brothers. Are we talking about jelly beans, Rabbit? Jelly beans? Jelly beans! Jelly beans! Jelly beans! Jelly I got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Ugh. Holy shit. Holy penis. Ready? Is your gun shit? Go. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro.
What happened?
I have to keep buying this shit every single 5 seconds.
Hey.
Yeah. We're good.
My ass.
Oh shit, get down, get down. Let's go. Damien. On the right. On the right. In here, in here. Someone watch that door.
I got frags, man, right now.
Okay. Let's go, Damien. Flashlight. Shit. Watch my left. Hey, what team are you? Hey, what team are you? What team are you?
We're giving me haircuts! I think you're not firing.
Ah, shit! No! What band color are you guys?
Band color.
Oh.
Yeah, we're bands, we're bands.
You are?
Yeah, we're bands. You bands?
Are you dead ass?
Yeah, I'm very good ass. Are you bands or no bands?
Alright, I want you to come out with your hands up. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you. You wanna say you gotta say your bands or no band. Hey, come on, we have to have like a mutual trust.
What if I show you my band?
Huh?
What if I show you my band?
Show us the band.
Hey, what if I show you my band?
Stop.
I'll show you my band.
Show us the band.
Look at me. Look. You see my band?
I see your band.
Okay.
Alright, look. You see my band?
Oh, okay. You guys actually are bands. I don't know how to trust you guys. Oh, it's you guys.
You guys.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
We haven't seen a single soul.
Dude, it's like they're all in the woods, I think. They're backed up.
I know, we haven't seen nobody.
Alright, let's move out there then. Wait, hold up. Oh, shit. Why are they shooting? Oh, shit! Hostiles! What do we do? They're in the bus?
Yeah, they're in the bus.
Hey, I'm done. Let me get Dead man.
Hey! Green! Bus is clear! Oh my god, there's a fuck ton of them. Yeah, I got it. Green! 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 That was me. My bad, bro. I'm sorry. Come on! Oh shit! Yo, watch your step here. Watch your step. Hey, someone cover me while I go to that trench, okay? How the fuck am I not hit? Yo, I need backup! Oh, I'm so done.
That's terrible.
I'm so done.
I think you hit the guy though. You shot it.
Did I?
He called it.
He did?
I think so.
Well, I'm kind of in a fuck situation, Rev.
Hey, I wouldn't move.
I'm not gonna move. That's a good idea. I'm just gonna rest here.
I was gonna say, I just get comfortable.
I'm gonna just get comfortable. I have no ammo. I'm gonna just chill. It's kind of comfortable.
There's definitely pain in your butt, so just be aware.
Hey, Damien, I'm like stuck in a trench right now. Fuck it. Ah, hit. I'm gonna keep doing that. Definition of insanity. What the fuck are you doing? Ah! I just got gun hit. I'm good. I improvise.
You can do that.
Yeah. So I have no ammo. So I'm gonna fuck them up with this. I'll fucking kill you! I immediately got fucked up. Oh my god.
Hey Matt, did you get him?
Yeah, you know. Damien, where you at, brother? Your brothers! Brothers! Cover me! Cover me!
Colonel, I'm trying to sneak around, but I'm dummy thick, and the clap of my ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Where that tracer is? I can't move.
Oh, this is a bad fucking idea.
Hey bud, I guess we're all here.
Yeah, it's a little packed, I know.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, I see him.
I just got fucking we just got grazed. Shit, he's still there.
This dude is playing it.
They're pushing back. They're pushing back. Let's go. Come on. I'm green. I'm green. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
He's flashing light again, King. He's right there.
Are we good on the right? Okay.
You want me to get over there for you?
Yeah. Okay.
Fuck, man.
Oh, you don't have, oh yeah. Yeah. He's at the container. I'm out of ammo. Hey, pass me a mag. Fuck! Hey, get my right, get my left. I'm gonna retrieve it. Fuck. Oh shit. You motherfuckers!
Hit the next door!
I got no ammo on this one. Or it's not working. Here.
I got no ammo.
Fuck. Shit. Hey, pass us an M4 mag!
I need ammo!
We're fucked. Get in the trench, get in the trench. They're pushing up! Go! Go, go, go! David! Up there! Here.
Reload it.
Watch out. Get down. Motherfucker. Oh, fucking. Oh, hit. Hit. Oh, fuck. We got slimed.
That's my back. Fuck! Hey, God!
Welcome to Airsoft, guys. Yeah. I left the mag over here. This is a good way to end off.
So who won? Let me get up.
I have no idea.
Let me get up there. I'm not...
Okay, I'm gonna get down.
You're hacking, family. You can get out that way. Wait. Let me get up here.
I know how to drive this shit. Trust. I know how to do this.
Drive me, Captain. Drive me.
Emergency radio call procedures. Make sure radio's on. Select channel 16. That's the channel that we're on. Clearly say Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Also, wait, people actually say that shit?
Drive me. Drive.
I thought Mayday was just in the movies, bro. We're driving a ship. Dude, everyone in Airsoft is autistic, bro. Who said I'm not? You? Bullshit. Why are they there, bro?
Tell me down.
Yo, who's shooting?
Pops, tell me down.
Pops.
Pops, tell me down, Pops. Pops, tell me down.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. Oh. This is a nice boat. Yo, there's a skeleton in here. What the hell?